How to save screenshot as PDF on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Once you're on the page, take a screenshot. As you can see, at the bottom left corner of the screen the preview of the screenshot appears. When you tap on the preview, you will be taken to the screenshot editing page. Now, in the top right corner of the screen, locate and tap the share icon. Here, scroll down through the list of actions and tap on the print option. You will now be taken to the printer options page. Here, you can see a preview of your document as well. Again, tap on the share icon at the top. This action converts the entire print preview into a single PDF document. Now, scroll down a bit and tap on the Save to Files option. Once you are done choosing the folder, tap on Save at the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily save a screenshot as a PDF on an iPhone.